Pressed it. Alright. Alright, let's see what happens.
Fire.
Pilot light's on, that's good.
Fire.
Tubes are lighting up, that's good. Guitar's in tune, that's good. Okay. Everybody's looking happy. When I was testing this thing with a dummy load, mind you, I've worked mostly on smaller amps. I think the biggest amp I worked on, it was a 60 watt, but I thought it was a 30 watt. So I built it around being a 30 watt amp. But this one I had a dummy load on, and when I was testing it, I could hear the guitar loop coming out of the transformer, and it scared the crap out of me. So it's a powerful amp. Anyways, everything looks good, so it should be fine. We're just gonna see how noisy or not it is. It has a very closely matched pair of JJ KT66s. I really lucked out with that. The amp came with one that's probably the original tube from 2013, and I just ordered a brand new one that came in this morning, and they are about as perfectly matched as you could ever hope for. Let's see. Okay, we are live. Okay. We'll go master volume 5, gain at 3. It's pretty quiet. It's dead quiet, and that's at a single coil. In the humbucking's 4th position, you can barely even tell it's on. Wow, that sounds amazing. That's a breakup that I've never heard before. Very cool. I'll bring the gain down to 1 and see what just the master volume sounds like. I got the presence at 5. Master volume at 7. That's got some grit. That pickup. This is a relatively hot bridge pickup. I'm going to bring the volume back down a little bit, push to 5, push the front end with a compressor. Kill this reverb.